So they were looking for examples where they can find this in the real world. They found one in the ocean. They said there is the waves, there are the waves and there is the ocean. The wave looks real. The wave looks real, it looks powerful, it makes a lot of noise, it is demonstrable, but it is the ocean. Then they saw the shadow of a person and they said, the shadow looks real, but it is the person. It is the person. When the person stands, the shadow stands. When the person sits, the shadow sits. When the person runs, the shadow runs. And at 12 in the afternoon, the shadow disappears. Because the sun is exactly on top of the person. So what happened to the shadow, which was real till now? So they said, just like the shadow disappears, just like the wave is the ocean, the individuality is the universe, but it appears real. So this they called it Maya. Then they looked at other examples. Then they found that often we mistake a rope for a snake, and then the rope looks like a snake, but when you go near it, you know it's not a snake. So they found that you can often be mistaken. You might think a rope is a snake. You might think the rainbow is real, because the rainbow appears grand, appears beautiful, but it disappears. So it is not fundamental to the sky. The sky is the fundamental thing, the rainbow is incidental, it is accidental. So the Upanishads concluded that the individuality is incidental and accidental. It appears real, it is real as long as you see it. Then one day one of the seers of the Upanishads, when he came back home from the market, he found his son is missing. He asked his wife, where is my son? So his wife, the son must be playing outside. So he went outside and he saw his son standing near a pond. Curious to know what his son was doing, he went and stood beside him. Then he saw his son was looking at the reflection of the moon in the water of the pond. Since there were some light waves because of the light breeze, the moon was going up and down in the pond. Then the man forgot about it and they came inside. A couple of months passed and then it became summer and the water completely dried in the pond. That day when the seer went out and saw the pond, there was no water and there was no reflection of the moon. He looked up, the moon was still there, but there was no reflection of the moon. So he became absolutely sure that individuality is a reflection of the moon. It's not the moon itself. So he immediately declared, Aham Brahmasmi and Tattvamasi and Sarvam Karvidam Brahma. So this is the summary of the Upanishads, which is based on scientific observation by the seers of the